In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get first Phorm discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up first Phorm discount code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website wethrift.com. You're gonna click on it. So once you're on the website, you're gonna see many promo codes. So for example, the first one is 31% off, and as you can see, it was used almost 13,000 times, and the success rate is pretty high, 75%. So you can go ahead and give this a try. So all you have to do is click copy code, which is automatically gonna copy it. Then you can head over to First Phorm's website. You can go ahead, choose whatever you want to buy, and when you're at checkout menu, you can use this code right there to see whether you get a 31% discount. So there are other codes as well. So for example, a 20% off your entire purchase, you can click copy code. It's gonna copy. There are many codes, you can go ahead, but I'll recommend you to go for the ones which have a higher success rate. Well, let's head over to some other website and I'll show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to this website, deal drop. So let's see, the first one is 30% off, and this is the code for 30% off. So you can just click copy, click use at firstphorm.com, which is going to take you to their website. You can paste this code at checkout and get the discount. Similarly, there are going to be many other codes. For example, this is the one for a 20% off, Iron Man tennis for a 10% off, and there are many more. You can go ahead to some other websites and try to find a few more codes. So alright guys, I'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.